live in a dark, closed world. Ah, it's opening up. Hatching out is very hard work. I'm glad of this nice feather pillow. Oh, that pillow is my mum. And here comes Dad with dinner for me and my brothers and sisters. Mum is blue and Dad is yellow. I wonder what colour my feathers will be. Yellow, blue and green. Wow! I am now 7 weeks old, a fledgling no longer. Now I'm a bird. I have a beak to peck, wings to fly, a tail to steer, and strong feet to grip safely. Not bad for a few grams of feathery fluff. Hello, you must be my new friend. And this must be my new home. There's lots of room to stretch and hop about. My perches are of varied width to keep my feet in trim. And I can trim my beak on this cuttlefish bone. The bars are great fun to climb. And what's this? My very own bathroom. Now for a little feather preening. Followed by my breakfast. A real pal like you makes sure that all the old husks are blown away before filling up with a selection of my favourite seed. Now for a beakful of grit. We birds don't have teeth. We use the grit to grind up millet seed, a slice of carrot, or a nice bunch of dried greens. Like you, we birds appreciate variety in our diet and cleanliness in our home. We soon lose our chirpiness if our food and water dishes are dirty and our sandy floor left uncleaned. Please change them every day. Thanks, life is brighter now. Who is this pretty bird? Is it my mum or my dad? No, it's me. I must be a bouncy, brainy budgerigar, like them. If I'd been a finch, I would be even more brightly coloured. A canary would sing brightly too. A pigeon loves racing. And a parrot can be very fast with words. Just like me. I like lots of cheerful noises and company. Particularly yours. But although I act big and brave, I'm really very small and easily hurt. My worst enemies are drafts, sudden loud noises, and open windows and doors. Phew, if you protect me from danger, I'll protect you from loneliness and boredom. That's what friends are for. See you tomorrow. Good night.